It's a hot day in Texas right now. Sweating. Temps now, they're starting to get to the hundreds, so we're frying over here. But still a day to cook. So I'm gonna fire up my Highland smoker and get it going. I'm gonna use some post oak. And I got some chicken legs, and then I've got some spare ribs. So, you know, I want to eat some good food today. So that's what I got going on right now in my smoker. And with the temp, I'm gonna let it ride. Just stick a split whenever it needs it and just let it ride. So let's get to it. All right, they're ready. Look at that. Now, if you do want to know where my temp's running at, if you can see it though, but it says 255. So if you want to know where it's at, but like I said, I'm just letting it ride, and I'm sticking about this size splits into the firebox. So let's get it. Yeah. Like that. Oh yeah. Like I said, that's the size wood split right there. That's what I normally try to keep them at. But let's get to cooking. Yeah, the temp's going down, so I got this wood right here that's already warm. As you can see, that's out. So just place it on like that, and eventually it'll start catching on. But let's check out, see what the ribs look like. Yeah, looking good on that. Yeah, I wonder if we're gonna get some pullback on this part right here. But I'm gonna get probably some apple juice, and I'm gonna spritz it since it's a little dry. Really don't get too much of the rub off my fingers, so the rub's kind of set on it. So I like that. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's offset smoker right here. It's Highland. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm gonna close everything and then continue on. But like I say, you gotta love it. It's been a good day so far. Oh yeah, they're looking good. Give a little spritz. Yeah, I think they're coming along nicely. Alright, let's close it up and continue on. Let's take a look at the ribs. Yeah, looking good. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wrap them. I'm gonna put some butter in there, some delicious honey, So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Alright, I'm gonna do it meat side down, let it roll, and I'll check about, oh, now we'll see how it looks. But as always, let's continue on. Let's put on another wood split. Let's get this one going in. Yep. That post oak, it smells nice. Well, change of plans on the chicken legs. I think the ribs are going to be plenty for dinner, so we'll have to scratch off the chicken legs. But I'm going to get the ribs out of the foil and let them firm up back, you know, on the in the smoker, and go from there. And still see some butter in there, but looking good. Some pull back on the bone. So let me get them out of the foil. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful, looking beautiful. All right, so we'll get that out of the smoker and then continue on. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Nice pullback. Oh yeah. So with that, folks, I'm gonna head inside because it's hot. I'm ready to go inside, to be in the AC, to be comfortable. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and got to see the Highland do its job, do its work. It's a great smoker. So as always, folks, thank you for stopping by. Smoke on, everyone.